Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever had these problems in your planted tank? Yellow leaves, melting plants, algae, or plants that just won't grow well? Many beginners think a planted tank is only about lighting and fertilizer, but there's one important thing they often miss: carbon dioxide. Today, we'll talk about which aquarium plants need carbon dioxide, what equipment you need, how to set it up, and how to use it with your lighting schedule. Part 1. Which aquarium plants need carbon dioxide? Easy plants like anubias, moss, cryptocoryne, and java fern can grow without CO, but they usually grow more slowly. But if you want to grow carpeting plants, red plants, dwarf hairgrass, Monte Carlo, or pearl grass, carbon dioxide can make a big difference. This tank has mostly high-demand plants, so stable carbon dioxide is a must for better color. Part 2. What carbon dioxide equipment you need? For a basic CO setup, you usually need: this is a carbon dioxide cylinder. Here we have a dual-stage regulator. It controls the high pressure from the cylinder and gives your aquarium a stable carbon dioxide output. Next is the diffuser. This is the drop checker solution. It helps indicate the level of the carbon dioxide. And finally, carbon dioxide tubing. Part 3. How to set up a carbon dioxide system. Now let's install the carbon dioxide system. First, check the sealing gasket. Make sure it's in the right position. Attach the regulator to the carbon dioxide cylinder, then tighten it with the wrench. Next, add water to the bubble counter. About 2/3 full is perfect. This helps you clearly see the bubbles co-flow more easily. Next step, connect the carbon dioxide tubing. Before we start, loosen the locking nut first, then push the carbon dioxide tubing into the connector. You may need to use a little force to make sure it goes all the way in. Once the tubing is fully inserted, tighten the locking nut back up. This will lock the tubing in place and help prevent any carbon dioxide leaks. Next, let's install the diffuser. It turns carbon dioxide into fine bubbles, so it can dissolve more easily and be used by the plants. This new diffuser already has a built-in check valve, so there's no need for an extra one. When placing the diffuser, put it in the lower middle part of the aquarium and close to an area with good water flow. Placing it lower gives the bubbles more contact time in the water, and placing it near good flow helps spread CO more evenly throughout the tank. After everything is installed, slowly open the cylinder valve. Adjust the output pressure. I recommend setting the output pressure within 0–65 psi, depending on your tank's needs. Next, let's adjust the bubble rate. I usually start with a higher flow first to let the pressure stabilize, then slowly turn it down. About 1 bubble every 1 to 1.5 seconds. If you're new to carbon dioxide, we recommend adding a carbon dioxide drop checker. It helps you see the carbon dioxide level in your aquarium more easily. This is the FZONE R-type carbon dioxide drop checker. It comes with indicator solution. Just add about 15 drops into the checker. The color will change based on the carbon dioxide level in your tank, so you can quickly tell whether the carbon dioxide is low, good, or too high. Place it away from the diffuser in an area with stable water flow for a more reliable reading. Part 4. How to use carbon dioxide with your lighting schedule. Carbon dioxide should work with your aquarium light. When the lights are on, plants use carbon dioxide to grow and photosynthesize. For beginners, turn carbon dioxide on about 1 hour before the lights come on, and turn it off about 1 hour before the lights go off. This gives it time to build up and avoids running it too long. Start simple, then adjust as your tank becomes stable. I like using the app to control the light. It's just much easier. You can adjust the WRGB channels separately, depending on the look you want. For this tank, I turned up the red and green a little bit. The red helps bring out the plant colors, and the green makes the whole tank look cleaner, fresher, and more natural. So instead of using one fixed light setting, you can fine-tune it in the app and make the tank look exactly the way you want. And that's it. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments.